Now, once you have, like, by the way, before we start the video, welcome to the video. So yeah, sorry for that. Now you know how to make money with coaching calls, but like there's a way how you can get the whole thing to the next level. Okay, so like when I for example sell the Instagram University, after that, like, you know, I bring the value, send some emails to the people, and after that I send people into the funnel of the Insta Secrets Mastermind. Okay, so you're on the Insta Secrets Mastermind and you probably already watched the Instagram University, you are a member of it, and what you want to do when you do coaching calls is you always want to have a product that you sell after it. Okay, so don't just sell the coaching call. Like, sell about the coaching call? What you want to do is you want to sell the next product. You don't decide when, like, it's time to stop selling products. The customer decides when he wants to stop buying, not you. Okay, so you always need new products. Okay, products in place that you can sell to people. I did this mistake for like a long time. I had only the Instagram University, like, you know, when it comes to my personal brand. Like, I have other projects where I did the same mistake, but when it comes to my personal brand, for a long time I made the mistake that I only had the Instagram University. But you know, I'm not the person who decides when someone wants to stop buying. The customer decides when he wants to stop buying. So that's why you need a product that you sell after the coaching call. So when someone buys a coaching call for $97 from you, what you want to do is, after the coaching call, you want to sell the next product to him. Okay? So what you can then simply do is you can sell a one-on-one mentoring, like a 3-month one-on-one mentoring to them, where you like twice a month go on a mentoring call with them, where you are on WhatsApp in contact with them, where you basically like one-on-one help that person build their Instagram account. Okay, and what I would recommend you is I would recommend you to charge $497 for it. And what you also have to do is you have to craft an offer for that. So don't just say, oh, you can join my one-on-one mentoring. Go out and craft an offer for it. Like, craft an offer and let people know what exactly they will get access to. And I now want to like explain how you sell it, how it works. And yeah, so we already talked about how you sell the coaching call, and you do that by basically like doing Instagram stories and stuff like that, and you get people into your DM. And then once people buy the coaching call, you need a funnel that's in place that sells the one-on-one mentoring. Okay, so what I would highly recommend you is that you first of all create an ebook. Okay, so an ebook that people get access for free to when they buy the coaching call, right? Someone buys the coaching call and then he gets an ebook, a free video, and like some other stuff. Like, you know, in the last video you crafted or like created your offer for the coaching call. But what happens is when, for example, James buys the coaching call, what you should do is let him know that he first should read the ebook. Okay, so you're giving him ebook. It's maybe like 50 pages long, and what you want to do in that video, in that ebook, is you first of all want to tell your main story. We already talked about that in like the videos before and the branding part and stuff like that. So in that ebook, you want to tell your main story. Okay, then you want to bring value, and after that, you can already like mention that you have a one-on-one mentoring. Don't sell it or don't pitch it. You can pitch it. You can say, yo, by the way, I also have like a one-on-one mentoring. If you're interested, like, just feel free to send me a DM on Instagram. Okay, and then, you know, you also give like then James, after that, after he read the ebook, he watched the videos. In the videos, you will bring free value. You for another time like mention the one-on-one mentoring, and then after that, like at one point, you will do the coaching call with James. Okay, so let's just say the person who bought your coaching call, his name is James. Let's just like say that. Okay, and then you basically go into the coaching call, right? And step number 1 is you talk to him. Okay, or you let him talk. Okay, so what I want you to do is ask him, where are you right now? What are your goals? What are your problems? Just get to know him. Step number 2 is you answer his questions. So he already watched read the ebook, watched the videos and stuff like that, and then you answer his questions, okay? And you help him out. And then step number 3 is you explain how you can make money. And the way you do it is how you then later on sell your mentoring, okay? And what you do is you tell him, okay, so to make money with your Instagram account, there's a pretty easy way how to do it. You know, this is what what I'm saying right now is you can say the exact same thing in your coaching call. Okay, so I will just say that right now so that you know how it works, okay? So you talk to James, like, just think about me doing a coaching call right now. So what you do is you say, So like there's a pretty easy way how you can make money with your Instagram account, and here's how it works. Like I can explain to you right now. So step number one is, you know, you already have your Instagram account and you're growing it right now, and what I want you to do is I want you to document how you grow your Instagram account. Okay, and what you then do is you just basically document that. Like when you reach your first 100 followers, you take a screenshot, put it into your story, and let people and say something like, thanks guys so much for the first like 100 followers. That's just amazing. I started less than 2 weeks ago, and now I'm already at 100 followers, and soon we will reach 1,000 followers, something like that, right? And you keep doing that. You keep documenting how you can grow your Instagram account, and what you then at one point do is when you have like the first like 500 or 1,000 followers, you can like put something to your story like, okay, if you like want to learn, like, or you can put something like this into your story. Like hundreds of people already ask me, how do I grow my Instagram account so fast? And you know, I really want to help you guys. I want to show you the strategies that I use, and that's why I created that I will do some one-on-one mentorings. And in that one-on-one mentoring, I will personally help you build your business, your Instagram account. I will show you my money-making strategies. And yeah, if you're interested, just send me a DM. It's 3-month one-on-one mentoring, and yeah. So, and then what you do is you say, okay, so, and then you say, like, after you explain how the whole one-on-one mentoring thing works is, you just say, okay, and by the way, you know, like this one-on-one mentoring thing works pretty good for me. Like, I've been doing it from the beginning on to monetize my account. I have done one-on-one mentorings with like lots of people, and the results are insane. You know, also right now I'm working with lots of people that are in my one-on-one mentoring. And like a few weeks ago, one guy messaged me and he did the one-on-one mentoring with me, and then you just tell his success story, right? And so then the person that you're in the call with already knows that you have a one-on-one mentoring, okay? And then you talk to him, explain the whole strategy, blah, 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 blah. And at the end of the call, you just ask him, I really like your personality, and I would love to work with you for like the next few months. I would definitely love to help you build your business. Are you interested in the one-on-one mentoring that I have? And then you just pitch, okay? You put out the one-on-one mentoring, you put up the offer and stuff like that. And or like you don't just put it out, but you ask him first of all, would you be interested in that? Okay, and then you can talk about what the whole mentoring is about and stuff like that. And then at the end of the call, you can close him as a client for $497. Okay, so that's just one of the strategies. That's how you can do it. There are many different other ways, but the important thing is that you have like a product that you sell after the coaching call, whether it's a one-on-one mentoring, whether it's something else, whatever it is. Just make sure that you have a product after the coaching call, because once someone bought from you, it's 10 times easier to sell to him, right? So yeah, I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, just let me know, and make sure to check out the free webinar that I created. So like lots of people have been asking me stuff about funnels, how they work, how making money with it works, and I will just put a little link down below this video for a free webinar. It's a Secrets Masterclass. It's like a webinar that I recorded, and it's like about 2 hours long, and I will show you basically like 3 secrets when it comes to funnel building and making money with it. So yeah, make sure to check it out. Link is down below. It's completely free. Great value in there. And if you don't have any questions, then don't message me on Instagram. But if you have any questions, then feel free to send me a message on Instagram, okay? And yeah, thanks for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one.